Hello everyone, this is Jacob with Nexus. I'm here at 236-242 4th Avenue, Unit 2R, located in Woonsocket, Rhode Island. This is a second floor, 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom, recently renovated, updated unit. And we're going to start our walkthrough of this unit right in the centralized kitchen area that you have. Of course, with it being centralized, it does lead to all the other rooms in the unit. Also houses the entryway to your unit. And you'll notice upon coming in here that the kitchen area does house brand new stainless steel appliances. Huge plus. This includes the medium-sized stainless steel refrigerator and the 4-burner gas stove and oven with the exhaust fan. All brand new stainless steel, very nice. And the kitchen houses a fresh coat of paint, so does the rest of the unit. And the unit houses lots of wide open windows, plenty of sunshine into this unit, makes it nice and bright and lively. And the main heat system, this large space heater right here, is your main source of heat. It is in the kitchen area. But perfect space right here for maybe a small size dining set. Kitchen does house the wood curtain along the walls. It's only to the kitchen area. And it does extend to this galley area too, which we'll look at right now. Pretty nice in here. You got lots of storage down below and above. This includes the large size cabinets above. So plenty of kitchen storage. You also got this wide open countertop with a couple of outlets for kitchen plugins. And the galley area does house your dual bin stainless steel sink. So all stainless steel appliances, that's awesome. Sweet, okay, so let's check out the living space next. It's a pretty good sized living space. The living space along with the bedrooms all house a brand new laminate wood flooring. I should also mention that most of the unit houses new light fixtures as well. So that's always a plus. Again, wide open windows, lots of sunshine. Got a couple of outlets in here for an entertainment system, TV, whatever you like to hook up. It's a good small space for a living area. You could also potentially end up using this as an office space, but you'll most likely use it as a living area. Nevertheless, updated and renovated. Perfect. Next, let's check out the two bedrooms. We'll check out the bedroom to the right side first. So relatively the same when it comes to size and features. Again, both house brand new laminate wood flooring, fresh paint. They both have their own closet spaces. And some wide open windows in both. Recommended bed size for both these bedrooms, you could go up to a queen, no problem at all. It's a wide open layout in both these bedrooms, so standard, you could do full XL, queen, any size bed set up to queen is perfect. Very nice. So that's the bedroom to the right side. Let's check out the bedroom to the left. Again, just an awesome wide open space. Lots of outlets too. Very convenient. You gotta love the updates as well. Fresh paint, new laminate wood flooring, always a huge plus. Perfect. Last but not least is the bathroom. So, bathroom first and foremost houses a stand-up shower at the end over here. Hooked up and ready to go. And last but not least, you do have a wide open sink area right here, some cabinets underneath for some bathroom storage, along with the wide open mirror vanity up above. Fantastic. So once again, this is 236-242 4th Avenue, Unit 2R, located in Woonsocket, Rhode Island. Before I go, I'd like to remind everybody, as always, to please subscribe to the Nexus Property Management YouTube channel so you can keep up to date with all of the listings that we have available on our website. And of course, any news related to real estate and property management will be located there as well. Thank you very much.